Look at that positioning. Look at that. Get your wings out. You got your wings out. You were doing the whole glug, glug, glug thing. Look at that. Look at that posture. I'm your mommy. I'm your mommy. You don't try to mate with me. Come on. See? Look. I'm not petting you under the wings. See, look. Just petting along the back. And you're still acting like a horny little freak. Okay? I know you're 20 and all that. But, you know, I'm your mommy. I am your mommy. Look at that. Look at that. She's going to throw up. She's going to try to regurgitate on me and feed me and all kinds of gross stuff. You're gross, bird. You're gross.